To transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trustwallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have a Binance account and a Trustwallet account. If you don't have these accounts, create them and complete the verification process. Open your Binance account and log in. Then navigate to the Wallet section and click on Fiat and Spot. Find Bitcoin in the list of currencies and click on Withdraw. You will see a withdrawal page where you need to enter the recipient address, which is your Trustwallet Bitcoin address. To get your Trustwallet Bitcoin address, open your Trustwallet app and navigate to the Bitcoin section. Click on Receive and you will see your Bitcoin address, which you can copy and paste into the Binance withdrawal page. Make sure to select the correct network, which is BTC, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Before you confirm the withdrawal, double check that the address is correct and the network is BTC. Also, be aware of the withdrawal fees and the minimum withdrawal amount. Once you confirm the withdrawal, it will be processed and the Bitcoin will be transferred to your Trustwallet account. It is essential to keep in mind that transferring Bitcoin from Binance to Trustwallet can take some time, depending on the network congestion and the verification process. Also, be aware of the security risks and always use two-factor authentication and keep your accounts and wallets safe. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin from Binance to Trustwallet is a straightforward process that requires some attention to detail. By following these steps and being aware of the security risks, you can successfully transfer your Bitcoin and keep it safe in your Trustwallet account. Always remember to double-check the addresses and the networks before confirming any transactions.